Stop scrolling. Give me 10 minutes. I'll make you dangerously confident. Not loud confidence. Not fake confidence. Real confidence. The kind that doesn't need approval. The kind that doesn't crumble when someone judges you. The kind that makes action automatic. Imagine waking up tomorrow. You speak clearly. You act without hesitation. You do the thing you've been avoiding for months. That version of you isn't far away. It's buried under doubt. And today, we dig it out. Stay with me. By the end, you will see yourself differently. 1. Confidence is proof, not personality. Confidence is not a trait. It's not in your DNA. It's not something you are born with. It is proof. Proof that you can trust yourself. Right now, your brain doesn't fully trust you. Every broken promise chips away at your self-respect. You say you'll wake up early. You don't. You say you'll start that project. You delay it. You say you'll hit the gym. You skip it. Every broken promise creates doubt. And without self-respect, confidence cannot survive. Mini challenge: for the next 7 days, make one small promise each day, and keep it. Nothing huge. Something simple. 10 push-ups. 20 minutes of focused work. 5 pages of reading. Small wins build proof. Proof builds belief. Belief builds confidence. Track it in a journal. Each checkmark reinforces trust in yourself. Do it daily. Even tiny wins matter. 2. Action comes before feeling confident. Most people wait to feel confident. They wait to feel ready. That's backwards. Confidence is built in motion. It is created by action. The first time you speak up, your voice may shake. The first time you try something new, you may feel awkward. Do it anyway. Every action you take sends your brain a signal: I am in control. Story example: David Goggins didn't wake up confident. He became confident by running ultramarathons, by facing pain every day, by refusing to quit. Your brain learns by doing. Motion beats hesitation. Mini challenge: pick one small action today you've been avoiding. Do it. Notice your fear shrink once you act. 3. Stop seeking approval. Approval is temporary. Self-respect is permanent. When you constantly ask, do they like me? Do I look smart? Do I sound confident? You give your power away. Stop chasing validation. The moment you stop trying to impress people, you automatically become impressive. Confident people don't over-explain. They speak clearly. They set boundaries. They move forward. Mini challenge: say no to something today. Do not explain. Notice the energy shift inside you. 4. Embrace rejection as training. Rejection is not failure. It is training. Every confident person you admire has faced rejection countless times. Criticism is data. If it helps you, use it. If not, ignore it. J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times. Before Harry Potter got published, she didn't collapse. She refined her work. She acted again. Mini challenge: do something today that might get a no. Send that message. Pitch that idea. Ask for feedback. Experience discomfort. Notice how strong you feel afterward. This is how dangerous confidence is built. 5. Upgrade your identity. Your behavior follows your identity. If you say, I'm shy, you act shy. If you say, I'm not confident, your brain proves it right. Change the narrative. Say, I am becoming someone who takes action. Repeat it every day. Write it in your journal. Speak it in the mirror. Small habits shift your brain. Over time, your actions match the identity. Mini challenge: write 3 statements today. I am someone who read them aloud every morning. Live them in small steps each day. 6. Master your body language. Your mind listens to your body. Stand tall. Walk slower than usual. Hold eye contact slightly longer. Speak 10% slower. Small changes affect how others see you. More importantly, they affect how you see yourself. Record yourself. Observe posture, tone, and presence. Adjust slightly. Feel the shift. Body language and confidence are linked. The more controlled your physical presence, the more your mind believes you are capable. 7. Control your inner dialogue. Your self-talk shapes your confidence more than anything else. Stop saying, I'm not ready. I'll fail. I'm not good enough. Replace with, I will start. I'll learn. I am capable. Say these statements aloud every morning. Your brain begins to trust them as truth. Your behavior naturally follows. Mini challenge: catch negative thoughts today. Replace them instantly. Do this for a week. Notice how your mind feels lighter. 8. Make fear your fuel. Fear is not the enemy. Fear is a compass pointing to growth. The things that scare you most often hold your biggest breakthroughs. Step toward fear. Every step trains your nervous system. Every step builds resilience. Mini challenge, list 3 fears you've been avoiding. Take one small step toward one today. Feel the fear, move anyway. Watch how fast your confidence grows. 9. Silent confidence. Real confidence is quiet. It doesn't need to shout. It doesn't need to dominate. It is calm. It is grounded. It is magnetic. People feel it before you speak. Your presence speaks louder than words. Cultivate calm energy. Be deliberate. Let actions speak. 10. Take small wins seriously. Small wins compound faster than massive bursts. 10 push-ups today? Proof that you keep your word. Complete a small task? Your brain trusts you more. Consistency beats intensity. Daily proof builds unstoppable momentum. Track wins daily. Celebrate them. Every small victory reinforces your confidence. 11. Stop comparing yourself. Comparison is a silent confidence killer. When you look at someone else's success, it can feel like your progress is small, but here's the truth: their journey is not your journey. You cannot measure yourself against someone else's highlight reel. Confidence grows when you focus on your own growth. Track your progress. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Mini challenge, every night, write one personal win from the day. It could be finishing a task, speaking up, or resisting a fear. Celebrate it fully. Notice how your mind starts to measure your own improvement, not others. Over time, small personal victories build internal proof. This proof fuels confidence naturally. 12. Focus on what you can control. Most people waste energy on what they cannot control. You cannot control what others think about you. You cannot control outcomes perfectly. You cannot stop life from throwing challenges your way. What you can control is your effort, your mindset, your consistency. Focus on the things you can influence. These are the things that build proof. These are the things that make confidence real. Mini challenge, make a list of 5 things you can control today. Act on them deliberately. Ignore what is beyond your influence. The more you focus on what you can control, the more stable your confidence becomes. You stop relying on external approval. You stop overthinking outcomes. Your energy becomes unstoppable. 13. Build mental toughness. Confidence is not comfort. It is resilience. You will fail. You will be rejected. You will face setbacks. The difference is how you respond. Confident people do not let failure define them. They learn from it. They adjust. They take action anyway. Mini challenge, list one recent failure or rejection. Write down one lesson it taught you. Take one small corrective action today. Every time you respond to difficulty with action instead of fear, your brain records proof: I can handle this. This proof compounds over time. And once mental toughness becomes habitual, confidence becomes automatic. 14. The 7-Day Challenge, Ultimate Action Plan. Here's the blueprint for the next 7 days. Keep small promises to yourself. Take uncomfortable action every day. Stop chasing external validation. Step toward fear deliberately. Use identity statements in the morning. Track every small win. Reflect daily and adjust. 7 days is enough to start seeing a change. Do not wait for motivation. Do not wait to feel ready. Take action. Prove to your brain that you are reliable. Prove that you are capable. By the end of these 7 days, you will notice subtle changes. Your posture feels stronger. Your voice is steadier. Fear begins to shrink. You naturally act without hesitation. This is proof-based confidence. It doesn't rely on external praise. It doesn't need validation. It becomes part of who you are. Remember, confidence is not something you show. It is something you become. Start now. Take one action today, then another tomorrow. The rest will follow naturally. The shift: calm, dangerous confidence. Confidence is calm certainty. It's acting without fear, controlling your decisions. Here's your 7-day challenge. Keep small promises. Take uncomfortable action. Stop chasing validation. Step toward fear daily. Use identity statements every morning. 7 days. That's it. You don't need a new personality. You don't need to become someone else. You just need proof. Once you build that proof, confidence stops being something you show. It becomes something you naturally are.